This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Porsche Macan. First, always ensure your vehicle is in either park or neutral for safety. Your Macan's key fob needs to be inside the vehicle for the ignition system to recognize it. Before you proceed, make sure to depress the brake pedal firmly. This is a standard safety measure in most modern vehicles, including your Porsche Macan, to prevent accidental movement during startup. Once you're ready, locate the ignition slot, typically on the left side of the steering wheel. Insert the dummy key or your actual key fob into this slot. Now, turn the key clockwise to the start position. You'll hear the engine crank and then start. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key, and it will automatically spring back to the run position, keeping your Macan powered on and ready to drive. Your Porsche Macan is equipped with an auto start/stop feature designed to save fuel and reduce emissions. This system will automatically turn off the engine when the vehicle is stationary, for example, at a stoplight. If you prefer to disable this feature, simply press the button marked with an encircled by an arrow on your center console. Additionally, selecting Sport or Sport Plus driving modes will usually deactivate auto start/stop automatically, giving you full engine power at all times. If your Macan isn't starting, a weak or dead battery is often the culprit. Check your battery terminals for any corrosion and ensure they are securely connected. If the key fob battery is dead, you can still start the car by placing the fob in a specific backup location, often a compartment in the center console, then pressing the start button. For more details, consult your owner's manual. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Regular maintenance, including battery checks, can prevent many starting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.